In version 2.4, we introduce support for FIPS-compliant encryption. Federal Information Processing Standards, developed by NIST, are rigorous security standards required by U.S. government agencies and organizations working with the public sector. The FIPS 140-3 standard defines requirements for cryptographic modules. It specifies the rules under which hardware, software, and firmware perform key operations such as encryption, digital signatures, and key management.
To make it easier to meet these requirements, GitProtect allows the use of FIPS 140-3 compliant encryption in backup plans, utilizing the AES-CBC algorithm.
Let's see how to enable this feature in the system.
Go to the Plans tab and create a new plan. Choose any platform to protect. In our example, this is GitHub. Next, select the organization and repositories. We will choose the Protect All option. Expand Advanced Settings. Go to the Encryption section and activate the FIPS encryption mode. It is important to remember the prerequisites for this feature to work. First, the backup agent must run on a Windows system. Second, the backup plan must use AES-CBC encryption. Third, the backup agent version must be at least 2.4.0. Enable FIPS mode in GitProtect and ensure a high level of security and compliance with government standards in your environment.
Detailed technical information can be found in the official OpenSSL documentation.